Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. In this video, we will discuss another 20 important multiple choice questions related to transformer. So, let me start. Question number 1. If frequency of excitation voltage reduces to half of a transformer, its eddy current loss. Answer is option A, increases to 4 times. Question number 2. CT is used in industries along with. Answer is option B, ammeter. Question number 3. The size of the transformer core depends upon. Answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 4. Auto transformer is used. Answer is option D, when the transformation ratio is small. Question number 5. If DC voltage is applied to the primary of a transformer, it may. Answer is option C, burn the winding. Question number 6. The all-day efficiency of a distribution transformer will be high with low. Answer is option B, iron losses. Question number 7. For short circuit and open circuit test of a transformer, the instruments are connected. Answer is option B, on high voltage side and low voltage side respectively. Question number 8. A distribution transformer usually is a. Answer is option D, delta star transformer. Question number 9. Transformer oil must be free from. Answer is option A, moisture. Question number 10. Which of the following transformers is smallest one? Answer is option D, 50 kilovolt ampere and 400 hertz. Question number 11. An ideal transformer is one which has. Answer is option C, no losses and magnetic leakage. Question number 12. The basic function of a transformer is to change the level of. Answer is option A, voltage. Question number 13. The auto transformer is preferably employed in situations where voltage transformation ratio is. Answer is option B, near unity. Question number 14. Tertiary winding in a transformer is connected in. Answer is option B, delta. Question number 15. The core used in a high frequency transformer is. Answer is option B, ferrite. Question number 16. The most common method of cooling employed in power transformer is. Answer is option A, oil cooling. Question number 17. The EMF induced in a transformer depends on. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 80. A good voltage regulation means. Answer is option B, minimum output voltage fluctuation from no load to full load. Question number 19. An autotransformer has. Answer is option A, one winding with taps taken out. Question number 20. The transformers from the point of view of construction may be of dash type. Answer is option D, any of these.